When I look at this partnership from a bird's eye view, it really is 4 entities within the state of Connecticut coming together who all have the same common goal of spreading an environmental impact across the state.
This business was started in 1814 and was a supplier of cotton materials to my grandfather's location in New York. In 1905, he had an opportunity to purchase the business, and when he did, he purchased not only the mill, but all the village buildings and the water rights and flowage rights to the Antic River. So we were doing cotton batting back in those days, and in 1950, we actually transitioned over to plastics. And through the plastics business, we then transitioned into the graphics board and for making signs and displays and wall decor. That's what we do today.
When we met the Gilman Brothers family, their concern about the environment and being able to do the right thing for the planet, but also for their location and business was exciting for Budderfly. You can see the culture as soon as you walk in, the excitement of the history and the wonderful things that they're doing in the manufacturing world in the state of Connecticut. Right in our backyard just excites me, and I'm really excited about the partnership that Budderfly and Gilman Brothers have today.
As a manufacturer, we have an increased responsibility to integrate these clean energy solutions into our facilities and operations. You know, the industry that we're in, extrusion is very energy intensive. We use a lot of energy, and it's important that we hold ourselves to the highest of standards in that way.
First of all, we had a tremendous electric deficiency here from the standpoint of needs on lighting, HVAC, solar, and trying to put all of that together. Each one of those in itself is a discrete function where you're trying to find a partner. The nice thing about Budderfly is that it's a company that can come in, it's a single solution for all of us, and honestly, it was the best thing that we ever did.
From a lighting perspective, again, it was all fluorescent, and we had an opportunity to upgrade the lighting, not only in the administrative and corporate areas, but we were also able to get on the manufacturing floor. And then there was also an opportunity with the older HVAC units. And those were supporting some of the administrative areas, and we were able to replace extremely older, inefficient units with new, ultra-efficient, and the timing's perfect. The highlight of the implementation is the solar.
When we first came here, seeing all the history on the walls and seeing the old hydro electric generators they had, that Gilman Brothers has always been in the renewable energy space, and is pretty cool to be part of taking them into the next century with the solar system. This system is expected to make almost 1 million kilowatt hours per year. All of those kilowatt hours are going to be used here directly on site to power their manufacturing equipment. This solution is going to save Gilman Brothers about $3,000 a month throughout the Budderfly agreement, and then the end of the agreement, those savings will be fully, to Gilman Brothers' bottom line.
I could say a lot about the company itself and what it does and all its functionality, but to be quite honest, it's the people that we dealt with and have been dealing with, that the ease of doing business, the tentativeness that we've received from the company has been outstanding. And a company isn't just all about the materials and about what happens at the end. It's a lot about the people. And honestly, that's why I'm recommending Budderfly to all of my friends.
From a legacy standpoint, we're looking to take on this journey where we're actually helping the environment. This turnkey, it's just really, it was a great format that they have and a great blueprint, and it really worked for us, and it was kind of a win-win thing.
Not only does the solar installation and the lighting installation reduce our carbon footprint and bring us some amazing cost savings, there's a ripple effect here that actually extends far beyond the actual installation. Our employees are coming into work now and they're feeling this energy, feeling like they work for a company that cares about sustainability. They work for a company that are leaders in energy innovation, and shows that we care about the communities that we're all embedded in and a part of. And I think that's a really beautiful feeling that you can't really perhaps attach a number to.